Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is soil composition. Earth is the only planet with soil cover. Soil, as we know, is a living system and the surface component of the biosphere. It's composed of organic and inorganic nutrients and is medium necessary for plant growth. It's very precious natural resource that's formed over a long period of time from rocks and minerals by the natural weathering process. Now let's try to define soil. The word soil is derived from Latin word solum, meaning the substratum in which the plants grow. Soil is thus usually defined as any part of Earth's crust in which plants root. Soil means the uppermost layer of Earth's crust, which contains the organic as well as mineral matter necessary for the growth of plants. Study of soil is known as edaphology or pedology or soil science. Now students, let's see what's the importance of soil. Soil is the important element for the survival of living organisms. Soil provides medium for plants to grow. It supports many life forms including bacteria, fungi, algae, etc. These microbes in turn maintain environmental balance by retaining the moisture and decaying the dead organisms. Soil is used for making cups, utensils, tiles, etc. The content in the soil, such as gravel, clay, sand, are used in construction of homes, roads, buildings, etc. Soil rainwater को absorb करती है. This water is evaporated and released into the air during sunny days, making the atmosphere cooler. Now students, let's see what's the composition of soil. Soil बनी है of different types of minerals, organic matter, different types of gases together with the water portion. इस वजह से soil को heterogeneous body कहा जाता है. जो typical soil है that's composed of 5% organic matter, 45% minerals, 25% of different gases and 25% of water. जो soil का composition है ये fluctuate करता है on daily basis depending on numerous factors like water supply, cultivation practices and soil type. Dear students, now let's try to understand composition of soil in detail. First component of soil is organic matter. Organic substances बहुत ही कम amounts में soil में present होते हैं. Plants and animals are the main sources of organic matter. Depending on the decomposition stage, the organic matter is of three types. First type is completely decomposed organic matter. Second type is partially decomposed organic matter. And third type is undecomposed organic matter. Second component of soil is minerals. Mineral एक important element है soil का. These are solid components composed of atoms. These occur naturally and have a fixed chemical composition. Alvin and feldspar are the main minerals present in the soil. Besides these, soil also contains sodium, potassium, iron, calcium, magnesium, etc. Third component of soil is gaseous component. The air-filled pores of soil contain the gaseous components. Nitrogen and oxygen present in the pores is generally the atmospheric air fixed by microorganisms. However, the composition of carbon dioxide is higher due to the gas produced by microorganisms present in the soil. Fourth component of soil is water. The soil dissolves the minerals and nutrients in water and transport it to different parts of the plant. These are essential for the growth and development of plants. That's all for now.